Hi guys, welcome to my Boyax TV channel. Today we're going to discuss a very important topic in how we're going to form a question which is answerable by yes or no question. Answerable by yes or no. Now, remember guys, when you're going to form a question answerable by yes or no, you are going to use an auxiliary do or does. Now, the do or does must be written, or you're going to put, or you're going to place the auxiliary do or does. It depends upon if the subject is plural, then use do. If the subject is singular, use does. Now, in forming a question answerable by yes or no, you're going to use an auxiliary do or does. Okay? So, you're going to place the do or does before the subject. For example, I do sing. So, if you're going to transform that into answerable by yes or no, you will say, do I sing? So, you use do, then it must be followed by the subject I. For example, if it is singular, you can, does he sing? Does he sing? Why we use does? Because the next word, the subject is he, which is singular. No? So that is how you're going to do. For example, if you're going to make a question answerable by yes or no, use auxiliary do or does, then you have to place that before the subject. Okay? I hope guys you learned something from me. Thank you so much.